Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm going to review this HP cartridge-free printer, and be sure to watch the whole video to find out everything you need to know about this printer and does it worth it. So let's first unbox this printer. Here we have reference and setup guide and some other manuals for this printer. Okay, now let's take it out. Oh, it's a pretty heavy one. Okay, let's take this off. And let's take it out of this nylon. It's a brand new printer. Very nice. You get with him 2 cartridges. That is a stack for 3 years, as it said on this box. Up to 3 years. Very nice. Let me see what else we get with this. Now let's open this box. I assume that, oh my god, what is this? Look at this. You get all kind of ink with it. Yellow, pink, blue, 3 black. My god, it's great. So many ink with it. And this is the power cable. And here is some short manual. Okay, now let's try to put this beast to work. Okay, now first step, remove all this from your printer. Open it up. Remove this also. Be careful so it doesn't stuck here. It's stuck, of course, but I will remove it. Now, with this side piece, open up this tray, and from inside remove another sticker on this part of the cardboard from it. Okay, now let's go to the next step. Now we have to remove this part here. It's also stick, and let's see, it's empty. It's only some piece of protection. Okay. Next step is to plug this cable to power. Now let's just plug it to power. Next step is switch this power button. And now the setup process has begun. This power button blinks. You can hear it. Printer is starting to set up. You see these levels here. It show up how many of this ink is inside. This is now empty, yellow, pink, blue, and here black. And we need to take this bottle, open it up, and take it inside of this printer. As you can see, I put this bottle here. You see this level of ink, and here you can see how this ink is coming inside of this tank. Very easy process. I was a little scared that I will spill the ink, but It is so easy process. Now you can see the whole bottle of this blank ink is inside. So let's move this bottle now. You can see nothing is spilled. It's so great process to take ink inside. Now just let's put this cap here and take this cover here. Okay, now we will do the process again with the color ink. Here we have 3 colors for this printer. The next step is to open this cover here, and then first open this yellow cap, and now we will put the bottle inside. This process is super easy. Just take this yellow cap, nothing is spilled. It has this silicone protection, and the ink is starting to pour just in a moment when you put this on this plastic piece. Now let's try to put this yellow ink. You can hear it. And here you can see the level of yellow ink rising. It is so satisfying. This system is the best system for any printer that I see for now. Now let's repeat the process with this pink ink. Just open it, put it right here, and voila! So easy and satisfying. Look at this. Just great system from HP. Great, great. I like it very much. And finally, let's put some blue color also. First open this cap, and here we go. Let's add some blue ink. So nice. Great, great system from HP. Now the next step is to install these cartridges. You have cartridge for black color and this 3-color cartridge. Okay, let's first take it out of this nylon. Okay, here we have the black cartridge first. Here is what it look like. Now we need to pull this part here. Now we need, you can see here, press this blue button to open this, and now we can put cartridge inside. First you need to dispose this orange plastic piece in order to now put these cartridges here. Now let's remove this protection here. Okay, and also we need to pull this part here. Okay, now it's ready to install. Very important step is that you do not mess these 2 cartridges. Here we have black one here, and this is cartridge for black. So just put it right here. Also, you need to be gentle and do not touch these electric contacts or this part with the ink, because you can make a problem. Now we must do the same with this multicolor cap. Also remove this and remove this plastic cover for these 3 pieces. You can see the difference. This one has 3 pipes, the black one has only 1 pipe. It's very important that you do not touch these electric contacts or these pieces where the ink is coming out. Now let's put it inside. Be sure that both of them are correctly inside, and then shut down this cover. Make sure that clicks. You can see these pipes here, and through those pipes the ink is coming to printer. So great piece of technology. Now just close up your printer so it starts to set up. You see here. Now we need to put paper inside. Now you need to open this paper tray. Here you can adjust how the wide paper can be. So first move it all and then put paper inside. It can take up to 150 sheets. And now move this and close this tray. The printer automatically starts to print test page and wait until the test page come out. As you can see, here the test page coming, and you will need to scan this test page to align everything in your printer. So let's do that. Now open this here and put test page. It's very important that you put test page and align it with this piece here in this corner. Now you can close the lid. Next, you need to press this lightning button copy to align everything with that page. And now it started. You can hear it working. Now the alignment is finished and there is a symbol, 2 zeros. Now your printer is ready to work, and only you need to install HP app on your mobile phone or laptop or computer, and you are ready to print. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.